Hello beautiful people, welcome to my channel. My name is Afreen and in today's video I have done a video on how to curl your hair properly. I decided to make this video because when I got a curler, it was very difficult for me to use a curler. Plus, to add on, the curls don't sit for a very long time on my hair.
I used to just take some random sections of hair and curl it in any way I wanted, but then the end result wasn't that good. My hair looked really flat, there was no bounce or curls, so I came up with this method.
As soon as you finish your bath, apply some serum on towel dry hair. All you have to do is take a pump of serum on your fingers, warm it between your fingers and brush your fingers through your hair. Make sure you dry your hair before moving on to the next step. You can either use a blow dryer or leave it as it is. Next, make sure you brush your hair really well to remove all the knots in your hair so that it will be easier for you to curl your hair. Plug in the curler and wait for it to heat. Till then, make sure you comb your hair really well and apply a high pony and take out 2 sections of hair from down and then start curling it. Leave it for around 30 seconds and remove it. Repeat the same procedure for the next strand. Make sure you apply some aloe vera gel as a heat protectant if you don't have a heat protectant. I forgot to do it over here, so you just make sure you do not miss on that step. Also be very careful while curling your hair. I burnt myself like 2 to 3 times, so just be very careful with that. Now I'm removing a few more strands of hair and curling it the same way, and then repeating this procedure again and again and following the same steps, but don't forget to use aloe vera gel as a heat protectant. It really works. Make sure you don't go too close to your skin because you'll end up burning your hands, so be very careful with that, guys. I'm repeating this again and again. Be very careful with yourself. You might burn yourself. Now brush your fingers in between the curls just to make them a little loose according to your preference. Use any serum of your choice and brush it through your hair. This will just make it look a lot more healthier. After I'm done with my serum, I'm just gonna be applying a little bit of aloe vera gel on my hair just to make it look a lot more healthier. And if there's any damage due to the heat caused by the curler on your hair, it will just help repair that. So this is the final result. This is how it looks after that. Just ignore my face for now. This is how nice the curls look and how bouncy they look. So I really hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, please don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. Thanks for watching. This is me, Afreen, signing off now. Bye bye.